student, welcome my channel. Today we discuss about some important journal entry which is very important for all student of class 11. At first you draw a date column, after that you draw a particulars, and after that LF column which is ledger folio, and then two amount column, debit amount and credit amount. Then you start the first journal entry which is started business with cash, stock, furniture. Journal is cash account debit, stock account debit, furniture account debit to capital account. And the narration is being business started with cash, stock and furniture. Journal number 2, purchase goods for cash. Journal is purchase account debit to cash account. Journal number 3, sold goods for cash. Cash account debit to sale. At first you write the debit account, after that you write which account is credit, and at the end you write the narration. Journal number 3, goods used by the proprietor for personal use. Drawings account debit to purchase account. Being goods done by the proprietor for personal use. Next journal, goods distributed as free sample. Drawing goods distributed as free sample. Advertisement account debit to purchase account. Being goods distributed as free sample. Next, goods distributed as charity. Goods distributed as charity. Charity account debit to purchase. Being goods distributed as charity. Next, rent prepaid for 2 months. Rent prepaid for 2 months. Journal is prepaid rent account debit to rent account. Prepaid rent account debit to rent account. Next, salary is outstanding for 2 months. The journal is salary account debit to outstanding salary. Salary account debit to outstanding salary. Here, outstanding salary account is a nominal account and outstanding salary is a representative personal account. What is mean by representative personal account? If any suffix or prefix added with nominal account, this account is called representative personal account. Here, outstanding salary is representative personal account and salary account is a nominal account. Next, interest on capital. Interest on capital. The journal is interest on capital account debit to capital account. Next, depreciation charge on machinery. Depreciation charge on machinery. Journal is depreciation account debit to machinery account. Depreciation account is a nominal account, that is losses, expenses and losses are debit, and machinery account is a real account, it will be credit because machinery goes out. So depreciation account debit to machinery account, and narration is being machinery depreciated. Next, purchase stationery for cash rupees 500. Journal is stationery account debit to cash account. Stationery account debit to cash account. Narration being stationery purchase for cash. Being stationery purchase for cash. Bad debt to be written off. Bad debt to be written off. Next journal, bad debt to be written off. Bad debt account debit to sundry debtors. Bad debt account debit to sundry debtors. Next, bad debt recover. Cash account debit to bad debt recover account. Cash account debit to bad debt recover. Cash account is real account. It comes, what comes in debit, and bad debt recover account is a nominal account. Cash account is a real account and bad debt recover is nominal account. So journal is cash account debit to bad debt recover. Okay. Thank you.